Hi, it's Krista with WTI. Today I'm going to share with you the experience I've had with these Wundermax door stoppers. Now, who doesn't love having the door held open for them when their hands are full? Or better yet, having a fresh breeze come through the home without the fear that a gust can blow the door closed on you or your pets. I'm going to share with you some of the features aside from convenience that have really made me a believer in these door stoppers. First of all, these door stoppers are super versatile. I've found myself using them all over the house and garage. I use it in my bedroom so that I can prop the door open and ensure my dog can easily get to her bed and water bowl. I have used it at the front door so that as I bring in groceries or other items from the car, I have ease and access into the home. I'm also impressed with the durability and design of these door stoppers. They are a really durable rubber material that is not going to lose form or grip, even if it's used in the sun or outdoors. When you're not using these door stoppers, they store so effortlessly. The set comes with 3 holders so that when you're not using it, you just take it out and you put it into the little container, and then it's always ready for you whenever you need to use it. So if you're looking for a door stopper that is durable, versatile, easy to use, and comes with an easy storage container, you're going to love these Wundermax door stoppers. And that's my point of view.